What is up, guys? We're back with the new Nerf gun video, Nerf War Episode 2. We're going to start in this corner. Call it. Sorry if it's dark time.